Sizirhatsha ukusuka emzimkhulu wendaba eAuckland Park eJohannesburg nanzi ezithujileko.
It is ordered that the applicant is entitled to repatriate the body of the late president.
We continue to mourn with them. It's normal that people can be emotional when this happens.
Ikhotho ithi akayokulala elizweni lekhabo umengameli walokhu weZambia uEdgar Lungu kodwa na umndeni uthi uyozibilayeza ekhotho.
The decision has been taken to summarily terminate the membership of the former Secretary General.
IMK Party imhlolele incwadi emazisa bona uyaqothwa kule hlangano uFloyd Shivambu.
2 of our members were shot and killed. We are not sure if it's the very same suspect that they were transporting who shot at them.
Amapolisa asazumana nabasolwa ekuthiwa abatsho badumuze babulala amapolisa amabili eJohannesburg ngengidi zawo. Siyathokoza ukuthi sinifumane nisilindile nendaba zanamhlanje ku-SABC1 ngesindebele. Lotshani emakhaya. Ikhotho ikhiphe umlayo ukuthi isidumbu sikaMengameli walokhu weZambia uEdgar Lungu sibuyiselwe ekhabo ayokungcwatshwa khona. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi indaba yombango wesidumbu sikaLungu ilalelwe ekhotho ephakemeko eGauteng. Ikhotho ithe uhulumende weZambia unelungelo lokubuyisela isidumbu sikaLungu ekhabo kobanyana ayokungcwatshwa ngokwekambiso yembusweni. Umndeni kaLungu bewufuna ukuthi angcwatshwe lapha eSouth Africa.
Zigcine ziphumelele imfiso zomphakathi weZambia embangweni ukuthi umengameli walokhu weZambia uEdgar Lungu angcwatshwe ekhabo. Ikhotho ephakemeko eGauteng ePitori ithethe isiqundo sokuthi imfiso zomndeni kaLungu zokuthi angcwatshwe eSouth Africa azidlula amalungelo omphakathi.
It is ordered that the applicant is entitled to repatriate the body of the late President Edgar Lungu, for a state funeral and burial thereafter in Embassy Park, Lusaka, Republic of Zambia.
Ikhotho ifumene nokuthi kunesivumelwano sisibopho phakathi komndeni wakwaLungu nohulumende weZambia malungana nokubuyiselwa kwesidumbu sikaLungu elizweni lekhabo nokungcwatshwa kwakhe.
On the first issue, the court found that the parties had indeed entered into a valid agreement that the late president's remains would be repatriated to Zambia for the purpose of a state funeral and burial there.
Igcotho elijamele uhulumende weZambia lisamukele isahlulelo sekhotho lithi uLungu ngewelizwe leZambia.
If you go to Zambia, they call him father of the nation. When you are a father of the nation, you can't restrict yourself to your immediate family, to your small so the man belongs to the nation, and so it's going to be buried in Zambia. We continue to mourn with them. It's normal that people can be emotional when this happens.
Umndeni kunye nemochara sebanikela uhulumende weZambia isidumbu sikaLungu kwenzela ukuthi kuthoma amalungiselelo ukuthi abuyiselwe eZambia.
Kusesenjalo umndeni kaLungu ufake amaphepha okubilayeza ngesahlulelo sekhotho sokuthi uLungu abuyiselwe eZambia okungcwatshela khona. Umndeni ukwenze lokho ngegcwetha lawo. Lezamba nje sezitsho ukuthi umsebenzi wokubuyisela kwesidumbu sikaLungu ekhabo uzakuhoje ujamile bekulalelwe isibawo sokudluliselwa phambili kwecala. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa wethule iplant yemali ngangemali yokuhlwengisa amanzi Station 5A Water Purification Plant eplantini yeRand Water eZekerbosch eVereeniging. uRamaphosa uthi lokhu kuphumelelisa isithembiso senkulumo yakhe yobunjalo belizwe yokusobulula isitshijilo samanzi elizweni eli. Uthi iproject le izokuhlangabeza imfuno zabantu beSouth Africa.
Ramaphosa uthi plant yamanzi iStation 5A iyingcenye eqhakatheke kakhulu ehlelweni lesikhathi eside lomthangalasisekelo wamanzi kuRand Water eyakhelwa ukuqinisekisa ukuphakelwa kwamanzi ngaphandle kokuphazamiseka engidigidini zabantu belizweli. Ihlelweli ekungelikhulu lidle imali engaphezulu kwe5 billion yamaranta.
The more impressive part is that it's going to meet and address a social need that our people have and will enable us to address the water challenges that we have, particularly in the surrounding areas where sanitation has not been well managed and where there have been leakages and sewage spilling into the streets. And Rand Water has now started the process of working with, for instance, Mfuleni municipality, and together they are going to arrest and get rid of the horrible experience that our people have been having in their houses, in their streets.
Umengameli ubuye godu waphawula nangamahlelo wabo wokubanjwa kwenkulumo yokucocisana ngobujamo belizwe. Uthi nanyana kubonakala bangakakulungeli ukubanjwa kwenkulumo le, kodwana uqinisekise ukuthi bonke ababelani abayingcenye yamalungiselelo bazoqinisekisa bona ukubanjwa kwe-national dialogue kuba yimpumelelo.
We may not be as prepared as we should be, and it had to do with the level of preparedness. And then I raised a concern that the invitations have already gone out to 750 organizations. And many of those organizations have already responded that they are coming.
Uramaphosa urage wathi ikulumo yokucocisana ngamahlelo webandla lokucocisana ngobujamo belizwe izokuraga mhla amalanga ali-15 kuRhoboyi.
Ihlangano i-MK Party ikhuphe incwadi yokuqotha uNobhalazo Mbelele waphambilini wehlangano uFloyd Shivambu.
Isiqundu siza ngemva kokuthi uShivambu asuswe esikhundweni ngombana abaholi behlangano le bamsola ngokuhlela iqhinga lokuketula umengameli wehlangano le uJacob Zuma esikhundleni. Nanyana kunjalo uShivambu uziphikile insolo abekezona wathi batsho umbiko wezobuhloli osetshenzisiweko uphekiwe. Ubuholi behlangano le bujamile ekutheni akekho umuntu ongaphezulu kwehlangano le.
The decision has been taken to summarily terminate the membership of the former Secretary General, and a formal letter of expulsion was transmitted to him on the 15th of July 2025. Umkhonto weSizwe will not entertain any further exchanges on this particular matter.
uFloyd Shivambu ukhuphe incwadi yokwamukela ukuqotha kwakhe ku-MK Party.
Amapolisa afunana nabasolwa ekungaziwa kubona bangakhi abadumuze babulala amapolisa amabili eRoodeport eJingalanga eJohannesburg. Phambidlana kuthiwe akwaziwa kuhle ukuthi isehlawa lesenzeke njani. Amapolisa amukwe inkiti ikoloyi yawo yayokutholakala hlanu kwalapha abulawele khona.
Lisale enkundleni elinye iphoyisa ngesikhathi yena nozakwabo bedutshulwa zintswelaboya engaziwa namhlanje ekhuluma neziko leindaba ze-SABC okhulumela amaphoyisa eGauteng uSigaxa Mabhande uMavela Masonto uthi lembedumehlano yenzeke eRoodeport kanti elinye iphoyisa ligcine liphuthunyiswa esibhedlela kwafike kwayenela.
They went to fetch a suspect of business robbery who was appearing at a Roodeport magistrate court. So after the court appearance, then they were transporting him back to Boksburg prison. So when they were in this road, is then that they were shot and killed.
Behamba nalamaphoyisa kubuye enkantolo yemanje nalapho beyoqula khona icala. Kuvumbuka abantu abangaziwa bavulela ngenhlamvu namaphoyisa aphinisela ngalizulu lezandla. Kubika ukuthi lo msolwa ogama lakhe liuJabulani Moyo waboshwa ngonyaka u2023 eboshelwa amacala athinta ukuqola amabhizinisi. Kulesigameko lo msolwa ushaye wachitha kumanje ugcwele inkalo abakwazidlodlo bamfunisa kwemali. Inyunyana yamaphoyisa iPhopru ithi yethuke kwaphela naso zwaneni amandla ngalesigameko. Igama lami nguCalvin Wawadludla endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.
Ubulungiwe namhlanje udade isidumbu sakhe esifunyanwe emgodini ongachingiwo eSteres ePumalanga ePitori. Abangani bakaMufi eSunnyside ePitori lapho ebekahlala khona bathi bathukiwe ngendlela abhubhe ngakhona. Bathi umsolwa kufuze adinywe ibail. Umsolwa ungewe eSteres uvele ekhotho kaMagistrata wePitori vekele kanti uzokubuyela ekhotho ngoSewula umnyaka lo.
Abekunguyo khomba isidumbu sikaMahabe besenjelwe ngaphandle kwendlu ekuthiwa bachonge yomsolwa uthi umngane wakhe ubhubhe kabuhlungu.
A human being is that guy. Even today I'm trying to understand. Why would you wake up and say today I'm going to kill people?
Batsho ulahleka amalanga naka-22 ngoVela Bahlinze ngemva kokuyozigedla nendoda yeminyaka ema-36 ubudala esolwa ngokumbulala.
Time I asked her if she was still okay and she didn't respond, but then she sent me her last location and the cell phone number of the guy she was going to meet. So in the morning I texted, she was offline.
Lwavele khotho bekagege enkundleni zokuthindana kuvele nabanye aboma bathi batsho bona umsolwa ubakatile nabo kanti abanye babo ngebathengisa ngedini ekuthiwa batsho ke bakhulumisana nomsolwa enkundleni zokuthindana. Abangani bakaMarhabe bathi ngathana umsolwa akhanga nikelwe ibhayili kelinye icala lokukata solwa ngalo mhlawumnye ngawusaphila uMarhabe. Phakathi kwamgwengweni nohobo yomnyaka lo ukuthola indumbu zaboma ezitshisiweko hlanu kwesiporo seWatlu. Abanye babo kukholwa ukuthi ngebathengisa ngedini. Ihlangano isisonke movement evikela abasebenzi abathengisa ngedini ithi kufanele ziphenywe zonke insolo.
Justice to do the right thing. Create a platform whereby like women who also identified the perpetrator through social media to also be given a voice to say, how do I now also come forth and open a case?
Amapolisa aphenya ukuthi umsolwa uthindana kanjani nendumbu ezithole esiporweni seWatlu. Abawe nokuthi nabanye abongazimbi beze ngaphambili begodwa aboma bayelele ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Nasibuya entolo.
By 2030 ithembisile indaba yamanzi must have been resolved.
Siyabona vela amathuna kosavalwe ngoba lapha kugcwele amanzi.
Umayara wakamasipalata wethembisile uthi iqalontanzi lakhe ikulungisa umraro wamanzi ogabhe umasipalata lowa kungakafiki umnyaka ka-2030. Indaba zisekhona lapha mbukeli kanti nazi kuphundileko uyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Asirage naso. Kubotshwe abanye abamayina ngokungemthetho abama-21 ngemva kokuthi baphume emgodini wemayini iSheba Mine eBarberton eMpumalanga. Abanye babo batholakele baphethe impahla enegolide kanti ukusukela ngeveke epheleleko bangaphezulu kwama-500 abamayina ngokungemthetho.
Ekuthomeni amapholisa bekathi bama-550 ababotshweko. Abaningi babo bavelile khotho, abanye bebaphiwa nebhayili, abanye babuyiselwe estoksini.
Yesterday until early this morning, we had a total of 21 illegal miners that were brought from the mine. Remember, our operation is not static there. So they were brought by the mine security, and they informed us that amongst them 11 are from Mozambique, then 9 are from Zimbabwe, as well as 1 South African.
Ngokutsho kwephiko lezokuthuthusa komphakathi bangaphezulu kwama-580 abavele khotho hlangana nelanga langomvulo nangelisine.
Kubo bonke ke labasolwa abawu-580 abavelile, abawu-28 bakhona banikeziwe ibhayili ya-R2,000 umuntu ngamunye. Icala ke libe selihlehliseliwa ukuthi abasolwa laba abanye baprofile nokuthi bese bezofaka isicelo sabo sebhayili.
Abanye abasolwa bazokuvela khotho ngamalanga ahlukeneko ngeveke ezako.
Umayara kamasipalata wethembisile hani eMpumalanga uLeseja Dikgale uthi amaprojekti abesolo abhala ukuphela endaweni zikamasipalata lo nendaba yamanzi bayibekelele phambili kulomnyaka wemali ka-2025-2026. Umbiki indaba we-SABC uComfort Masomuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Umayara beyitsheje khulu ukuthuthukiswa komthangalasisekelo wezakhamuzi zethembisile hani ekungumasipalata wande ngendawo zemakhaya. Hlangana nokhunye okukhulunywe nguMeyara amaprojekti angapheliko khulukhulu imthangalasisekelo endlela ereyadiswa bosokontraka hlangana nokhunye. Uthi kilomnyaka wemali ka-2025-2026 ngezinye zezinto abazozisikimela kube neragelo phambili lamsinya.
Ihlelo lethu lithi by 2030 ithembisile indaba yamanzi must have been resolved. Ngokuqala siqale ngeBhundu project abantu base Bomando nabantu base Kwaga bathola amanzi ngendlela engasabi inkinga fana siqaleni. Kwamanje ngoDecember siceda iproject yase Loskop, abantu base Verina, Mzimuhle, Buhle Besizwe nePhumula, inkinga yamanzi izophunguleka kakhulu.
Umeyara ukhulumise neyama-project okwakhiwa kwenithabathaba zentolo namagatsha athengisa inkoloyi ekulindeleke bona zivule epambanandlela yebuhle besizwe. Kodwa nolela ngabantu abangena inarha bavula intanda ngokungemthetho. Uthi umkhwa loyo uliyituthuko. Usihlalo wendlu amakhosi eMpumalanga uSiphosezwe Mahlangu uphawule nganasi indlela ngekulumo le.
Uyatsho ukuthi ukhulumisene namakhosi ene bavumelene nekunomthethwana abawubethileko lokho kubizwa ngesingisi ukuthi i-bylaw, ukuthi amakhosi nomasipala bazokusebenzisana ekuvikeleni ukuthi ihlabathi yekhethu ingatlhayeli ngoba ihlabathi kulilifa. Siyakuthokozela lokho. Kwesibili, into yokuthuthukisa abantu abatsha ethembisile ukuthi kunamafama azowathuthukisa umeyara. Sikuthokozele khulu lokho njengendlu yobuholi bendabuko.
Indaba yamathunazelo ekhulu ivelile nayo. Umeyara wathi azokuvalwa kodwa sebanawo amahlelo khulukhulu eKwaGafontein, eMloto nakezinye indawo zakuBotwefontein. Malunga omphakathi aphefumulile nawo ngekulumo kaMeyara.
Engikuthandileko ekukhulunywe ngumeyara namhlanje nayindlela esuka eVlakglaagte number 1 ingena izokuvelela ngePhumula. Sithokozela ukuthi nayo izokwenziwa ibe yihle ikhona ukukhambeka.
Uvezile ukuthi namathuna azokuvalwa. Iye siyabona vele amathuna kosavalwe ngoba lapha kugcwele amanzi abantu sibabulunge ngemanzini.
Hlangana nokhunye okuvezwe ngumeyara ukuthi kuzokuthuthukiswa nabo somabhizinisi abasakhasako lapha. Umeyara uthi ubekele ngeqadi imali elinganiselwa ku5 million yamaranda ukwenzela ukuthi abosomabhizinisi bendawo le bazijamele. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikuphakela zona ngisempumelelweni eMpumalanga.
Bekuzinkumbulo ezihle zodwa ebezikhulunywa ekonzweni yesikhumbuzo seNkosi yakwaDlawulale eLimpopo ekhothameko uMaphepha wesibili. Ikonzo yesikhumbuzo sakhe ibanjelwe eNkandla eMostorolosi kwaDlawulale. Umbiki indaba we-SABC uphindile Msiza usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Ubujamo bezulu beMostorolosi kwaDlawulale eLimpopo akhange buliye isitshaba ukuthi sikhambele ikonzo yesikhumbuzo seNkosi uPoni Jafta Mahlangu uMaphepha wesibili. Kunalokho isitshaba sifahle ilothe nezulu saphuma ngobunengi sayokuhlanganyela ndawonye eNkandla eMostorolosi. Isikhumbuzo seNkosi sikhanjelwe ingwenyama uMakhosoke wesibili. Inthunywa ezivela esigodlweni sakwaNzunza Mabhoko, amakhosi wobukhosi obuhlukahlukeneko, amakhosana kunye nesitshaba. Umasipalata we-Elias Mutswaledi nawo bowukhona kulesi sikhumbuzo wathi batsho ubone kuqakathekile ukukhambela isikhumbuzo seNkosi uMaphepha wesibili ngombana ube yinkosi enezandla ezivulekela abantu.
Wenye izinkosi ebekade zihlala kuKhansela se-Elias Mutswaledi and siubonile umsebenzi wakhe kangokuba thina nje singosopolitiki ubaba uMahlangu ubesivulele ngisho nasesichabeni sakhe la abusa khona.
Nakusenjalo abomma bapende ihholo yeNkandla ngemibhalo batshengisa ukugidinga impilo yeNkosi. Hlangana nabanye abomma ebebakhona mvumi owaziwako wengoma zaSindebele uNothembi Mkhwebane.
Undabezitha kade khulu amlandeli wami ingomeni zami zakade ekade ngizivuma. Undabezitha ngithi masizela kwaDlawulale sokwenza ama-festival nabojoriwe kusho ukuthi besisiza lapha kwaNdabezitha asibukela amahholo.
UNdabezitha kube nguNdabezitha ukuthoma osekela noma yini umbono oza nathi sibomma begodwa amekha sure ukuthi indingo esizidingako ekuhalebheni isitshaba uyasisiza.
UNdabezitha ube ngubaba kini enezanga ngivalela ngaphandle ezanga ahunyeza isandla nangiba uyihelele.
Okhulumela isigodlo sako somtchathana umntwana enkosi uMbusi Mahlangu uthi ikonzo yesikhumbuzo ikhambe kuhle begodu uthokoze wonke umuntu ophumeleleko ekugidingweni kwempilo yeNkosi uMaphepha wesibili kanti uthi alibambileko ngelokubumbana kwesitshaba samaNdebele ukuya phambili.
Bekuhlangene uba nomhlotsheni indaba zamaNdebele ngalokho ngizama ukuthi bekuhlangene isitshaba sizohloboka noma sizekonzweni yesikhumbuzo. Ngalokho yonke into ikhambe yihle kuhle khulu siyathokoza sithanda ukuthokoza khulu ubukhosi bonke.
Inkosi yakwaDlawulale uMaphepha wesibili iyokutshalwa kusasa mhlamalanga alithoba kuGoboyi ngedrayini kwaDlawulale. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Kezemali iranda liqinile nalenganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu.
Timu yami iBuccaneers ndiyathemba kulonyaka kule season izabe iphakamisa iligi.
Ngingumlandeli omkhulu weKaizer Chiefs mkhathi mara yayibona iligi le awamkhathi Sundowns uyoyidopa mkhathi.
Mina ngibona iqembu leOrlando Pirates litayiphakamisa nayinzebe.
Maningi impela amaqembu aqokiwe akhona eligini kodwa esingacabangela bonke angayithatha iligi awu2. Orlando Pirates neSundowns.
Bona amakhosi amahle Kaizer Chiefs itawubuya nayo inzebe. Itawube nesikhuni sivutha.
Uzoba update ukuthi sikhulume ukuthi kuyowina ini. Asazi ukuthi sibophe njani.
Niligidinga kamnandi ilanga labo makusasa umusa.